Class in session.
So wake me up early.
Wakey, wakey, rise and shine. Class is in session. Good morning, happy Monday, and welcome to week 2. As you can see, the Rich University schedule is up. If you have not completed week 1, please pause this video now and ensure that you do complete your registration. Right, so let's commence orientation. First of all, make sure you have onboarded all your team members to this new community. To do this, above the toolbar, click on Add. Type your team member's Facebook name in the search box shown, then click Done. They will receive a notification that they have been invited to join the Rich University space and prompted to answer 3 simple questions. All active participants are required to provide their IML ID number and subscription date, the name of their sponsor, and the name of their direct chairman. Upon completion, your join request will be pending until approved by a Rich University admin. Next, download and complete your accountability form. This can be accessed from the toolbar underneath Files. Click on the PDF, click View File, and you'll be redirected to your view and downloadable options. Click on Share and copy link, then paste into your browser. Once the document is loaded, depending on the device you are using, you will be presented with options to send via an email or print directly. Great, you have access to your accountability form now. Go ahead and complete the fields with all your information, contacts, and how many hours you're dedicating along with your why, and sign your commitment statement. Okie dokie, awesome sauce. So by now, you guys should have familiarized yourself with the units and kind of how they work. So from the top of the toolbar on your Facebook page, go ahead and click on Units. Your 21-day journey begins at day 1 under Unit 1. Each day starts with a short introduction video from Dr. China Bethley explaining what your day is going to entail. Steps 1 and 2 of each day are always the same. We cannot stress the importance of starting off your day with your daily rich declarations. Then move on to step 2, which is your daily rich reading. Click the links provided to access the full audios or downloadable PDFs. As outlined, read 10 pages or listen to 30 minutes of audio at the start of your day each day before commencing the rest of the unit. Continue through the rest of the unit, reading carefully and following the prompts. If you are in your first 72 hours post-enrollment, go ahead and click the link. This will redirect you to IML Universe to enable you to complete your setup. Both building and trading platform tools are available to you here. Once you have completed this step, move on throughout the rest of the unit. All the steps are detailed with the exact instruction you need to complete it. Be thorough, paying close attention to any instruction that may be prompting you to take action. For example, step 6 of day 1 is inviting you to like and follow the Rich University online Facebook page. Click the link, which will redirect you to do so. This is our public space where you can redirect your prospects to like and follow also. A constant flow of activity is always being shared here. Global events, live meetings, speaking engagements, and all you have to do is like and share content to your page, which shows your audience that you have a direct relationship with the results that are being produced. Spend some time here, know what is available in this space for you, know what events are coming up in your area and globally. It should also be your goal to have your events displayed here. The Rich University Online page is a great asset to your business. Its consistent marketing and PR is a business tool that you would use to communicate to your audience that you are always open for business. You can see that newly enrolled team members are also celebrated here. Growth is positive for any institution and also attractive to those looking for online learning or profitable opportunities. Awesome, and congratulations! You have now completed your orientation. Please do not hesitate to watch this video as many times as necessary until you are clear and confident about what is required. Remember, you are rich.